This is a Wi-Fi temperature recorder. Temperature probe charger fixing pin. And the back of the temperature recorder. Insert the temperature probe into the notch. Then tighten the screws. Plug one end of the charger into the USB port. Then attach this side to the back of the temperature recorder. Stick the other side to the refrigerator, or you can stick it on the wall. Peel off the thin film. Stick it on the back of the temperature and humidity recorder. Open the battery cover. Ensure the battery is connected. Stick the product on the refrigerator. Secure it. Open the refrigerator. Insert the temperature probe from the back. The probe can be dropped inside the refrigerator. You can then cover the refrigerator. Plug in the charger.